Today we're going to be going over a Swing Shuriken snap hyper for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be learning a Swing Shuriken snap hyper for the UTC. And before continuing this video, I recommend you have your cheat Shuriken snap hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So this move is just like a Swing Shuriken false hyper that we did in the last level, but we're going to be landing with both legs at the same time instead of just one. And this is good for those of you who want tricks like Swing 7 hypers later on. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, kind of looking at your target a little bit. You're going to bring your swing leg up and then bring it back down. Bring your cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent, jump around 180 degrees, landing with both legs at the same time, finishing the move in a frontside stance. And the only other variation we can do with this is a spin, of course, due to the snap down thing. As for tips, just try to keep your legs straight and your toes pointed as best you can, or if you have any questions for me on like this move, I guess, even though it's super basic and you probably don't, you can always leave them down below. And as for a progression that I recommend, you want to have your Swing Shuriken false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. It would be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.